They could be designers, they could be software engineers, they could honestly, just having a great understanding, even if they go in different fields, they'll have more knowledge about coding and programming, and they won't be so afraid of technology in their everyday life.
Today it's like fish that you can move around. And that we add.
You gotta make sure everybody's following along. Everybody got it?
No, but I have got the.
The Clicker app is an app where you like click on it, you earn you earn some like money or a unit that you get that you use to like buy stuff, or eventually you win something.
And now you want to rename your label. So label 1 is going to be your store.
You go to your picture.
How much you want it to turn. So remember, if it says 360, you want it to turn 360.
We really want the kids to get hands-on experience with all the things that kind of affect their daily lives. Tech isn't shrinking, and it's becoming more and more prevalent in everybody's everyday life. And so having them have a deeper understanding of all the systems behind that is really important.
This is my robot. It drives. It goes super fast, and the eyes change colors.
This is the thing to like carry things, like in the forklift, and it can go like up and down. So that's what we basically.
That is not just about competition, but it's about having a good team to support you, because you can't win only using gas. You need somebody to change your wheels. You need somebody to help your programming in order to cross that finish line.
We're making it transparent right now so that we can see that in the
So they're learning about what it takes, especially this week they're learning about what it takes to make their favorite games. So they're learning about animation, they're learning about design, they're learning about like logic and programming and things like that, and they're having fun doing it.
My shout out is to each and every single amazing person in a green shirt here that has been here every single day helping. Y'all show up and show out every day without hesitation, and I am so proud of every single one of y'all, and I'm glad y'all are here showing up for these kids. So shout out to y'all. Yay.